look here. Psst. Walk. Guys, what I want to know is why one problem always lead to another. It ever happened to you yet? Something bad happened today, then the next day something bad again. So stress plus stress. Just imagine that. Stress out. Stress. Up so late right now. You wouldn't believe the time is about 1 a.m. So guys, I couldn't find him. I got so upset. I went in the bird cage to feed the birds, and one of the birds escaped from the cage. It was really a hard task trying to get the bird back in the cage. What I had to do, because I saw the bird right next to the cage, I run around the cage, tried to catch him. The bird fly up in the tree. No, you know guys, that the bird is Miguel's favorite It's one of Miguel's favorite pet. And him just fly out of the cage. So anyways, what I did at the small cage that is in the big cage that my husband made. The small cage, I put the other 3 birds in the small cage, and then I opened the big cage, throw some feeding inside there, and then the bird went in. Jesus, I'm so happy. Just imagine losing someone is so hard to deal with. And imagine you can't find somebody who is close to you, or it could be a friend, it could be a pet, it could be someone that you love so much. It could be a pet, it could be a person, and within 24 hours I think a report that the person is missing. Just imagine how some people go through that, and you don't hear nothing from the person. I'm so happy that I catch the bird, so happy. And yeah, it just make me happy when he come back in the cage, and I don't have to buy back one, because birds are so expensive. When the bird fly out of the cage and him go up in the tree, and he was just enjoying himself, him love that, but him come back. Yeah, same time I did call someone from the pet store, and I asked how much is it for a lovebird, and I was told that the price for birds is from 11,000 up, and I was gonna buy back one, but thank you Jesus, the bird came back, and that made me so happy. I said yes, thank God. Yeah. And we have one that is tame, Miguel always let him out and him fly up and down and he will come right back, but I wasn't sure about the other one. So I'm happy. And also Miguel, we found him, he's okay, he's well. Nothing serious guys, nothing serious. Just do this video because I know that persons have lost their pets, they have lost their loved ones, and it's, trust me, it's not easy. Sometimes your child, you can't find a child too, because why? Somebody kidnapped them, or maybe them just run away because them go through too much stress or hard time, Jesus. So this is just a video giving an example, yeah, but everything is good, everything is good. Sorry to scare you, but Miguel was working in the country, but the real thing is that the bird escaped, yeah, and I caught him. Yes guys, so Miguel is good. He's just very hard working, and he's just so tired. So I was recording him when he was sleeping. He was really tired. Moral of the story: don't give up no matter what you do in life. Keep searching. Search till you find what you cherish the most. Because I could have given up on the bird, and don't do a thing, and the bird maybe would have come back. Look at that. Yeah, so just use that as an example. Yes guys, so I know that you were worried guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to prank you guys. Miguel take me almost everywhere he is going, so I was traveling with him. So he wasn't missing guys, he wasn't missing. I took a walk with Jason so you guys could see what nature is like. I get a view of the airplane, the sea, Yeah, the birds. Yes guys, so hope you enjoy this video. So guys, there's the bird right there. I caught him and I did put him in the pen, and today Miguel will buy some more birds, so see them there in the cage. I don't want to go in there now guys, because I don't want none to fly out. But him actually get birds, so I don't have to buy any bird. See? Yeah. You might can't see it that well, but as I said, I'm not going in the cage guys. I don't want none to get out. That would be a bigger problem because there are so many birds right now. And we have the ducklings. There's the ducks, yep. See the tame bird here, the color one. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the yard cut now. So I'm gonna stop video. This is it. Yes guys, so please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to JC's World.